Hi guys, so I'm basically going on vacation for 3 weeks, so it's time to pack my crochet essentials. Basically things that I usually take with me when I go abroad to another country. So let's do it. Alright guys, first I'm bringing with me is this little case that I will, put some crochet supplies in here. So will become, very handy. Alright guys, first I'm gonna bring with me is some of my crochet hooks in each size. Even though I mostly use the 4mm and 5.5mm, but I kinda want to bring. Wait, I'm missing one size. I feel like I'm missing the color brown, which is the 6mm. Okay, guys, there we go. Okay, I have it right here. Next item I'm gonna bring with me is like this kind of measuring, if I make amigurumis, usually I need to measure it for my parents, so this is handy for me. I'm of course gonna bring some scissors and my stitch markers. You guys, these are, what I use as stitch marker. I think they're the best. I have been using them for almost 1 to 2 years now, and I'm obsessed with them. And I have like 1,000 of them, so I'm gonna bring like maybe, so you guys can see we have 3, 4. So we have 4 right here. Next thing I'm gonna bring with me is like this stitch counter. Sometimes it's handy for me. And I'm gonna bring like 3 needles. One big one if I'm gonna use blanket yarn, and a little, a small one and a medium one. So I'm gonna pinch them right here. And what else? Oh, I'm gonna also bring some pin needles in case I need to pin some stuff before I sew it. Sometimes handy. And yeah guys, I think this is what I'm gonna bring as for crochet stuff. So now it's time to pick yarn. Let's do it. Alright guys, as for yarn, it's hard to pick because I don't know what to pick. I think as for blanket yarn, I have some here in my box. I don't think I'm gonna bring this time chenille yarn because I don't think I'm gonna make something with chenille yarn in Aruba. So I think this time I'm gonna skip chenille yarn. So now we have here more yarn, guys. Okay, guys, I have yarn all over this house. So I think as for yarn, this is like my, a little bit mess. But that's fine. I think I'm gonna bring some cotton yarn. Because usually in Aruba, I like to make things with cotton yarn. So let me see. Ooh, I love this one. I made last year some, Christmas weaves with it, but I think, let me see which color. I want something fun. Ooh, okay, I think I'm gonna bring this one with me. I'm gonna be really selective, you guys, because, I know I want crochet every day, because, I'll be mostly doing other fun activities. So I don't want to bring too much because I know myself from experience. I don't crochet that much when I'm on vacation because I kind of want to enjoy, you know, doing other activities. Let's see. Ooh, I love this one. Okay, guys, I'm feeling like the kind of summer vibe, so I think I will take these two with me. What else do we have here? Yellow. This pink. It's hard to pick, you guys. I cannot take all the colors with me. Recently, I think I got a few new skeins, so ooh, I'm loving this one as well. Okay, guys, I think I'm gonna take these three with me. They're fun, colorful. I feel like perfect to crochet at the beach. So I'm gonna put this right here. Next, we have here more yarn. I think I'm gonna take these two, you guys, because I love sparkly stuff. This yarn is new. It's called the Royal Batik by Zeeman. A Dutch brand here, and I love this. I can see myself making lots of weaves in Aruba, like the mini weaves, and selling them. So I think I'm gonna take these two skeins with me. So far so good. You guys have my room is a mess right now. I have lots of boxes with yarn. Under this box I have all my fancy yarn, which I'm not sure if I'm gonna take some with me. I'm really debating. Ooh, I kind of like this color, but it's hard to pick, you guys, but I think so far I've taken 5. Oh my gosh, look at this one, so pretty. Ooh, this one is giving me like sunset vibes. So I see myself like crocheting wee during sunset time in Aruba at the beach. So I think I'm gonna take this one with me. Okay, guys. So far I have sparkly yarn, colorful yarn, and I think that's it, you guys. I think I will survive 3 weeks with this yarn because I'm not planning to crochet every day. Maybe 1 or twice in a week. So I think I shall be fine. I think what I need to take next is safety eyes. As you can see, I have all my safety eyes here. Recently I got the kawaii ones, which are super cute. I have many. I don't know. I know from experience I mostly use 12mm safety eyes, and if I'm making stuff with chenille yarn I use 20mm. So I think I'm gonna take the 12mm eyes with me. Yeah, I think this one will be perfect. And maybe some cute kawaii ones as well. Yeah, I think this sounds like a great plan, and I think I might need some 6mm if I'm gonna make the keychain weavies. So I think these are almost running out, so I think 6mm. Yeah, I think this will be fine. What else? Honestly, guys, I think that's it. I think this is enough because I don't want to bring too much because I know I won't be using them. So let's throw them in my suitcase now. Alrighty, guys, so here we have the yarn. Gonna throw it in there. Here we have the kind of like sparkly sunset yarn. And I have right here 3 beautiful cotton, colorful yarn, which is going with me as well. I'm gonna bring this super cute knitted frock for my mom, and with the wee look. So freaking cute, you guys. I'm obsessed. I think I'm gonna do a few photo shoot at the airport with the frock and such. It's gonna be my travel buddy with the wee. So cute. And as for the crochet hooks and the case and the needle, I'm gonna throw it here in the big my big suitcase, because I don't want to lose my hooks, and to avoid problems, I'm gonna leave it there. Alright, guys, I think that's basically it as for crafts. Alright, guys, I think that should be enough for 3 weeks. As I told you guys before, I'm not planning to crochet that much, so I think maybe I'm gonna grab 1 or 2 more skein of yarn, but yeah, that's basically it. So yeah, thanks so much for watching, guys, and let me know what you guys usually take when you go on vacation. Alright, guys, see you guys soon. Bye.